In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate regular expressions, Regex, in Google Gemini. First, open Google Gemini in your browser and get to the chat interface. Make sure you're signed in and ready to start a new conversation so the model has a clean slate for your task. A fresh chat helps Gemini focus on the specific pattern you want to build without mixing in earlier context. Next, enter your prompt. Be clear about your goal and where the regex will be used. For instance, mention the programming language or tool because different environments may have slightly different regex flavors and flags. Clarity upfront saves time later. Now ask Gemini to generate a regular expression. This is where specificity pays off. Describe the pattern you want to match, whether it's something common like a URL or a date format or a custom business rule. Include any restrictions you care about, such as case sensitivity, minimum and maximum length, or exactly which characters are allowed or disallowed. Ask Gemini to provide both matching and non-matching examples so you can see edge cases in action. Also request comments explaining each part of the regex, including anchors, groups, quantifiers, and character classes. If your environment uses particular flags, say so, and ask for variations tailored to your language or engine if needed. Once Gemini responds, generate the final regex by confirming the version that fits your needs. Copy the pattern and review the explanation. Look for start and end anchors if you need full string validation, confirm that special characters are properly escaped, and check grouping, optional segments, and repetition counts. If the pattern looks too complex, ask Gemini for a simpler or more readable alternative that still meets your requirements. Maintainability matters. Finally, test the result in a regex tool or directly in your programming environment. Paste the regex, try a range of sample inputs, and verify that valid cases match while invalid ones do not. Watch for false positives and false negatives, then iterate. If you discover gaps, return to Gemini with those examples and ask it to refine the pattern and explain the change. Repeat until the behavior is reliable. When you're satisfied, save both the final regex and the explanatory notes alongside your code or documentation so future updates are easier. That's it. With a precise prompt, thoughtful constraints, and thorough testing, Google Gemini can help you craft accurate, well-documented regular expressions quickly and confidently.